Hi guys, welcome to another video from Car Help For You. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix, repair or fit a cigarette charger known as phone charger, cigarette port, whatever you want to call it. This car is in fact a Nissan Micra 2009 reg. In another video I have shown how to remove the CD player, which was here. You have to remove that in order to get to this stage anyway. That's in another video, but for this video I'll show you how to do this. So there's one screw there, there's one screw there. Once you've unscrewed them two screws, this will pop forward, but as you see on the heating valve there is just this little black thing. If you pull that forward it'll come off, as simple as that. Just squeeze that forward and it'll just come out there. There is wires there, so make sure you don't actually pull too hard or stop your hazard switch working, which will be a separate problem. We'll have to look into that. But this in fact was what this car needed, and I ordered it from eBay. There aren't any wires to it. The method this connects to this car is, this had fallen down the back, which I've got. So basically this connects to that and it just transfers electricity through the silver and the screw. When it arrives, if you do have to order one off eBay such as me, when it arrives it will arrive in 3 separate pieces. As you can see, it has a little piece sticking out of the bottom of it there. That will go and sit into the metal on the insides like that. To get it into place, but once you do have it in, it won't move. So if we can just get that into there, yep, that's gone in for me. What we then do is get the screw. This one is star shaped. I'm not too sure if you can see it properly in the camera, but what we do is we put the screw into there. It is easier if you use a magnetic screwdriver, however in this case I don't have one to hand. So what you do is just make it sit on top of the screw and just keep hold of that. As you can see, there's little holes inside there, so I've got hold of the black thing. And I'm just going to slowly put the screw in like that. At the other end, so I can let go of it all and just keep hold of them too. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn this back around. In order to get this into there, because it won't go in any chance. So what you do is you look on there and there's 2 straight lines. I'm not on about the clip, I'm on about the 2 straight lines. If you look close on the plastic, there's actually a cut out in that circle. So they'll come together like a piece of a jigsaw and they will just push it into place. It might be easy if you want to do it when you've screwed it in, but for me that's easier like that. I'll pull that forward. Obviously they won't come a great deal more forward, and what you do is you just tighten it up a little bit, and while you're tightening it up you'll notice it'll all come together properly, and I can feel mine getting a lot more tighter now. Don't overdo it, as you don't actually want to snap the plastic and go straight through. So mine's got a lot more tighter. Just give it its final turn, and as you can see there, that's not going nowhere. So I need to put this back in now. In order to put it back in, I lift it in on a slant, top side in first, and as you can see it does just kind of sit into place, and you just got to fiddle with it a little bit and just push it in like that, and it's simple as that. As you can see, that's into place there. The back end of it isn't going nowhere. If you want to test it, we'll be best off testing it right now. So I'll grab the key. As I said in the other video, anytime you are using car electrics, never leave the key in the ignition, as you don't want to blow a fuse out, or if 2 wires touch you might burn the electrics and it's going to end up costing you a lot more. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and fire the car up. So this car has actually started up. We'll use this Bluetooth device, just exactly. You can use anything. This is a Bluetooth device. As you can see, it has powered on, so it's fully working. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.